Hello friends. So again today I have with another scenario based question in software testing. Last time I covered a scenario based question like you have seen the video. If you have not seen, please go and see that video because which was very useful. Like it was like you have a production go live tomorrow, but you have a bug today. Will you go ahead with the go live? So I provided some different approach you can follow and you can answer using these factors like capability ethics, communication, risk assessment, decision making. So how can you make decision? So you can go through this and you can see the video. I will provide the link in my description. Now I have another question, scenario based question. Uh, and these kind of question are being asked while interview these days. And I will make video one by one on all the scenario based question which can be asked. So today I have another question. If you have completed three user story out of five and two were not completed, what reason will you give to the client? So here I have mentioned answer in my own way, as per my experience, as per my knowledge. So you can go through and you can modify this line or you can use your own thoughts on this. So I have mentioned like if two out of five user story were not completed, the reason given to the client would depend on the specific circumstances. Possible reason could include technical challenge, not enough resource or changes in priority. It is important to communicate openly and transparently with the client, providing them with a clear understanding of the reason for the incomplete user story and discussing potential solution. So at first, if you get such question, what will you say? At first you have to say like, yeah, at first communication should be transparent. I have said multiple times this line. When you get such in the situation, communication should be transparent with client. So in this scenario, first communication should be transparent. Then you have to tell the specific circumstances. You have to tell genuine reason. What was the cause? You can tell like technical challenges like I mean you can say like when we started the user story, we get some unforeseen complexity, unforeseen circumstances which we planned. We got opposite them. So this kind of line you can answer. You can also say like API was failing, server issue. Such kind of answer you can use in your answer. You can also tell like we didn't have enough resource. So this uh, word, this line you can use in your answer, and you don't have to tell any like yeah we didn't have resource, we faced some technical challenge. You have to tell the solution. You have to tell the uh, your next plan, next steps, what you are going to do further. So you have to tell like yeah we got some complexity, we got some error, technical challenge, and we are following some different approach, and we need more time and we have to provide some timeline you and to the client like yeah we will get such more time so we can complete our remaining user story. Okay, so in this way you can give answer. Now next question is, if you have to complete 500 test cases in one day, what you will be your approach? You cannot take help from others. So here everyone knows, yeah, we cannot complete 500 test cases in one day. So here just interviewer want to know your thoughts. How can you approach? how far you can go. So for that reason, interviewer ask this question. So as per my knowledge, I have answer in few lines. You can use this line in your interview. Like, to handle 500 test cases in one day, I'd start with the most important ones. Most important ones means which are critical functionality. At first, you have to take one on your priority and group similar case together to work faster. Sometimes we know we can have a different similar test cases. So at first, you have to group them to work faster. For example, on my client, there is a functionality where I work for a health and welfare domain. So where there is a functionality that employee wants to enroll in benefit medical benefits, so they can go in different way. They can go by going using on the medical banners, link. So all are the same. So this kind of test we have to group them and we have to work. Okay. I uh, I would use any available tools to speed things up and safety focused to by minimize distractions. You can use any tool. You can use you can tell the any tool name that you can use in your project to speed the things. Taking short breaks. You can say like, yeah, I will take short break. I will continue my work. I will focus on my work. I will in order to achieve the goal and would help keep me refreshed. I would track of my progress. Yeah, you don't need to only work. You have to uh, track your progress time by time. I mean, every hour, every 2 hour, 3 hour, you have to track your progress. Okay. If it look like I won't finish in time, so at the end we know the answer. Like, yeah, you cannot finish the in the time. So definitely you will say like, yeah, I will let my manager know and suggest a new timeline. So this way you can answer. This approach you can use in your answer. Then definitely interviewer will think like, yeah, this guy is something different. So I have covered these 2 and 3 questions. Next video I will upload soon and ready for that. Thank you.